The question that people often ask is whether they should keep everything in one place or split things up. For instance, separating work notes and personal ones. Here's my take on this topic. My recommendation is to start with a single knowledge base and to only split when you have a compelling reason to do so. The main advantage of keeping it all in one place is that you'll have a single place to search if you need to find something. You'll also be able to connect all your ideas together. In my case, there's a lot of overlap between my work and my personal notes, and it wouldn't make sense for me to keep those separate. That being said, I have a specific knowledge base for my corporate work. That's because of company policies that prevent me from sharing those notes with my personal ones. Having multiple knowledge bases imply context switching and makes backup and recovery more complicated. But sometimes it does make sense. So for instance, for sensitive information, when there are confidentiality rules at work or for cases where other people need to collaborate with you on the knowledge base, you don't want to expose your personal stuff to other people.